Hello?
Ooh! You cover the holes up.
You gotta do it. Cover up the holes with your fingers.
She's got her hand over the hole.
There you go.
No,
Cover up the holes with your fingers. You like that, huh? You like that?
That's my whistle.
Uh-huh. Right. This is such a good toy.
I love blowing that.
We'll be sure to let Grandma have that one when you come over.
no, I thought of you when I bought that. I knew she'd enjoy it, and you teaching her something different she can play.
What else is in that basket?
Yeah, you got a bunch more stuff in that basket. And we'll do the bubbles outside if you don't mind.